cheer. My children, why have you strewn yourselves before these altars with your books and garments? Since you are the eldest in the family, speak for them all. Tell me, never doubt that I will help you in every way I can. Breathe with this.
Lord, your eyes must tell you that tea is possible in ways. The herds are sick. You should drink that water. Every heart is pain. A kingdom under a fire, raised like a festival lightning to the sea. Almighty King, we turn to you. Find us our safety. Find us a remedy whether by counsel of God or by men. No man can rush your power, but through all night. But through all this.
Poor children, sick as you are, no one is sick aside. I was not sleeping. You were not waking me. I have sent Peter, son of Penoides, brother of the king, to Delphi upon the stage of revelation. To learn there, if you can.
It is a time of promise. This instant, you tell me you pray this year.
Oh Lord of all, may schools be fair and his face is fatal.
Good news I gather. He is crowned with fame and the chapel is
You shall soon know.